Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. It is that time of the year again where I'm going to be sharing some of my favorite Halloween, fall, and Christmas decor items with you. And I wanted to share with you a couple of the small changes that our living room has gone through to get ready for Halloween and fall. Now, when I'm decorating, I like to mainly do fall items and then incorporate a little subtle pieces of Halloween. I'm not really a big Halloween girl to begin with, but I do love fall. So I'd rather have more of that and less of the Halloween stuff. But you do have to have a little bit of both. So I wanted to show you guys some really simple and affordable options that you could do to elevate your home and just make it feel a little more like the season. One of them I'm sure many of you have heard of or seen are these bats that I'll put all the links below in the description for you. But these are just some that I had left over from last year, and surprisingly, I was able to reuse them, and the tape has held up super well. Otherwise, I think they're like $5 to buy a pack. So if you think about it, it's not that like much to invest if you wanted to just buy new fresh ones every year. Outside of that, I don't know how well you can see, but behind our TV, we have one of those LED lights and we can change the colors. So I like to really kind of change this up every night depending on my mood. Right now I have the purple in the background just because it feels very Halloween. And that's another super affordable thing that's really fun and festive for like all of the holidays, all of the seasons. Candles. These LED candles are amazing. At night, I'll actually just come and turn them on. And I feel like it just adds to that ambiance. So anytime I can find some ambient lighting, it just really helps it to feel super cozy. And I can have my overhead lights off and just literally curl up on the sofa and enjoy all of the wonderful things that we love about this time of year. Speaking of candles, I did find these, they're called Bougie Perfume, but they're from HomeGoods, and I loved how they looked. They were super cute, and I think they were like, yeah, $10. They have like super cute bats on them, and I loved the gold and just the texturing that the vase had. So thought I would just put that one right there. I always have books on our console table. I don't really feel a need to ever change these out for the season. I feel like it's fine, especially because they are a little bit more neutral based. I do have a little bit of blue in this book here, but it works. So why fix something that's not broken, right? These are actually some pieces that I got last year in my fall video. This is a really cute wooden pumpkin that I found at Hobby Lobby. And I got bags of these really cute pumpkins at a local shop here in Utah. They're just super cute. And actually, that reminds me, I have a little bag of acorns somewhere in the basement, so I'll have to bring those out. But outside of those fall pieces, these are just other pieces that I have up here pretty much year round. I think bringing in a really good vase, and you can change out your stems to be greenery, florals, leaves, whatever you're kind of feeling in that particular season. This really cute snuffer for when we light our candle. And then another really pretty bowl with just some moss balls in there. I want to say I got both of those at Hobby Lobby, and the bowl I thought was an incredible price point. It was definitely under $20. I think with it being 50% off, I want to say I got it for like $9. And then I also got this wreath. I want to say this was a Target find from last year, and it was the perfect size. I normally have it hanging up in our guest bathroom right around the corner here, but I decided that I liked the colors that it brought in, and it just kind of like added a little extra flair. So my biggest tips when decorating for fall and Halloween are to bring in textures, to bring in lights, and to definitely bring in some type of material for your walls, whether that be these 3D bats or the spider webs, like just some of those extra things that don't cost a lot of money can really go a long ways in making it feel very like Halloween, spooky, fall, whatever the vibe is that you're going for. And then last but not least, on your TV, YouTube has free videos for Halloween, and it just kind of sets the mood also. This one is a little bit terrifying, but it works. So whatever you're in the mood for, I'm sure you can find it on good old YouTube. As we make our way over to where our sofa is, I didn't really do a lot over here either. Obviously, you can get some really beautiful metal candlesticks. These ones are from Hobby Lobby as well. And these are, you know, pretty seasonal. I may or may not have them up in Christmas, but for fall, Halloween, and just like everyday decor, it's perfect. A bowl here with some pears, which might seem a little bit odd, but I didn't care. I just liked how it looked and I kept it that way. You could make the bowl seasonal, or at least the fillers in the bowl, and you could change them out for like ornaments, or you could maybe do some cute pumpkins. This is like a very slow transition into Halloween and fall in the house so that it doesn't feel too overwhelming. But outside of those pieces, you want to make sure that your sofa is filled with all the kinds of colors and textures and just yumminess. And most of these are also just everyday pillows. And then bring in some throws that can be seasonal. Just bringing in these layers and these colors. You can be super like on brand with Halloween, or you can be just a little bit more like, I don't know, play it safe and use some of the colors from fall and just have that all be incorporated as I've done here. Now, this is new. We've always had a gallery wall here, but I thought I would kind of have fun and play with these gauze things. I don't even know what these are called. What are these called? I should know this. What are these called? Okay. I'm not sure what they're called, but on the package, they refer to them as creepy cloth, which is a pretty accurate description because it does look kind of like creepy cloth. I don't know. But I'm just kind of playing with this right now. I'll see how I feel about it. And then I've been tempted to maybe get some LED candlesticks because like how much of a vibe would that be for these candlesticks to like illuminate some lighting. So probably going to go on Amazon right after I'm done filming this and make that purchase so that they're here just in time for my Halloween party on Saturday. And one other thing that I just want to touch on while we're talking about the living room is I have become somebody who very much appreciates having like certain systems in my house. But when I say systems, I also want them to like, outside of just functionality wise, be very aesthetically pleasing. And one thing that has been a game changer for me that I recently incorporated was a cute little basket. It just sits here on the side of our sofa, and it's where we can put like any books that we're reading as of the moment, or if we are journaling. And it's the perfect spot because in the evenings, this is, you know, just like a very cozy room in the house. And if I'm not watching Gilmore Girls, like it is really nice to be able to grab a journal and just write, you know, whatever I want to write, or read a book. So highly recommend getting yourself a cute basket because it's, again, cute and it's super functional. And I got this at HomeGoods and I want to say it was like $7. So definitely go check that out. I'll see if I can find some that are similar for you guys and put it in the description box below. But I think that's probably going to be it for today. In the next video, I will show you guys my kitchen, and there's like a certain little nook area that is perfect for decorating, and I'll show you guys kind of what I'm doing there because these spaces are right next to each other, just to make sure that everything feels super cohesive. And I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and go ahead and leave me some comments below if there's anything else that you want some tips on for this Halloween season or fall season. Be sure to let me know in the comments below so that I can deliver on that content for you guys. I've got a lot of fun stuff planned, and I'm trying to get back to the place where I am posting one video a week. So be sure to hit the notification bell so you don't miss anything in the future. Have a great rest of your day, and I will see you in the next video.